Well, hello, Georgetown and Round Rock. Here at the Recon Shop, although we show a lot of PDR repairs on individual damage, kind of like this 2024 RAV4 that we have in the shop, that we're removing a really sharp dent in the driver's door, we actually specialize in hail damage. I like showing these door dings because it's a really quick way for me to show you the benefits of paintless dent repair. But of course, we specialize in hail damage, like this Honda Fit that we are working on with extreme hail damage. And when you're choosing a PDR company, choosing a local PDR company, I might add, when fixing hail damaged vehicles, a lot of things have to come apart. This Honda Fit is completely R&I'd in order to repair this hail damage. The headliners have to be dropped, tail lights have to be removed, lift gates and hoods, interior trim panels have to be R&I'd. We do that here at the Recon Shop, and I like showing these individual repairs like this RAV4 here. And as you can see, this damage came out fantastic using paintless dent repair. Showing one dent at a time is just an easy way for me to show you the benefits of having hail damage repaired using paintless dent repair. If you are in Georgetown or Round Rock and have hail damage on your vehicle, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're conveniently located right here in Cedar Park at 201 Industrial Boulevard. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.